Are you waking up feeling drained even after going to bed at a reasonable hour? Do you feel like your energy is only half of what it used to be, that your body isn't responding like it once did? Maybe your erections feel weaker, your recovery from exercise or stress seems slower, and your sleep is strangely light, leaving you tossing and turning, feeling like your body never truly shuts down. If any of this resonates with you, I want you to know something very important. You are not alone. This is a challenge many men face, especially as they move past the age of 50, and it's far more common than you might imagine. I'm Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a board-certified urologist and men's health physician, and tonight I want to share with you something that could be a game changer for your health, your vitality, and the quality of your sleep. I'm going to focus on a simple vitamin that is often overlooked, one that works best when taken at night, because the timing of when you take it, perhaps even more than the amount, is absolutely critical. You might be thinking that you already take vitamins, maybe even the right supplements. You might be eating clean, exercising, and doing all the things you've read or been told are necessary to maintain your health. Yet somehow the needle doesn't move. Your energy is still low. Your erections aren't as firm or reliable as they once were. Your sleep remains shallow and fragmented, and the frustration starts to mount. And 9 times out of 10, the problem isn't that you are taking the wrong supplements. It's not that you've failed in your attempts to improve your health. The real issue is almost always timing. Your body after 50 does not operate like it did in your 30s. The internal rhythms that once managed stress, sleep, and recovery on autopilot begin to slow down, and this change impacts nearly every area of your physical and sexual health. This is what we call circadian biology, your body's natural clock, which plays a massive role in everything from testosterone release to blood flow to deep restorative sleep. Most men assume testosterone is produced during the day, but that is simply not the case. Your body produces most of it at night while you sleep during the very hours you might not be giving it the support it needs. And testosterone isn't the only thing your body produces during deep rest. Nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for expanding your blood vessels, supporting strong erections, and promoting cellular repair, is also produced while your body is in these critical sleep phases. This nighttime window, the hours when your body should be fully repairing and regenerating, is absolutely critical. And yet, despite knowing the importance of sleep, many men are still missing the mark. The issue often isn't that they don't care about their health. It's that they don't understand the mechanics of how the body works after 50. Your hormones, your blood flow, your energy metabolism, even the way your muscles recover, all follow patterns that are deeply tied to your sleep cycle. And if your sleep isn't optimized, none of the supplements, exercises, or clean eating habits you've adopted will have the full effect you hope for. Among the nutrients your body needs for proper nighttime repair, one that I see depleted in almost every man over 50% is magnesium. Magnesium is a core mineral, essential for hundreds of biochemical reactions in the body, including hormone production, blood flow, and cellular repair. The unfortunate truth is that our magnesium levels naturally decline with age. Even men who eat well are at risk of deficiency, and if you enjoy coffee, a nightly glass of wine, or face chronic stress, that depletion accelerates. But here's the kicker. It's not just about taking magnesium. It's about taking the right form, in the right way, at the right time. Many men walk into my office with bottles of magnesium oxide or citrate, or maybe a blend labeled multi-mag. They faithfully take their pills for a few weeks, expecting their sleep to deepen, their erections to strengthen, and their energy to return. But nothing happens. Sleep is still light. Erections are still unreliable. The frustration grows, and they toss the bottle in the cabinet, thinking magnesium simply doesn't work. And yet, the truth is that magnesium itself is not the problem. It's the form you're taking. Men over 50 lose magnesium faster than they realize. Stress, caffeine, alcohol, and even poor sleep itself drain magnesium from the body, and the older you get, the less your body holds on to it. If you want the benefits of magnesium at night, better sleep, improved blood flow, and more reliable erections, then the only form I recommend is magnesium glycinate. Glycinate is uniquely calming. It crosses into the brain and helps shut down nighttime cortisol, the stress hormone that keeps your mind wired and your body restless. It triggers the pineal gland to release melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormone, helping you drift into deep, restorative sleep without tossing and turning. At the same time, magnesium activates nitric oxide pathways, improving blood vessel dilation and setting the stage for stronger, firmer erections. unlike magnesium oxide or citrate, which can irritate the gut or send you running to the bathroom in the middle of the night. Glycinate is gentle, smooth, and gut-friendly, making it ideal for nighttime use. But magnesium alone is only half the story. There is another nutrient that quietly works behind the scenes to support deep sleep, testosterone production, and blood flow. Few people talk about it, but it has a profound impact on the body when taken at night alongside magnesium glycinate. This nutrient is taurine. Taurine is an amino acid that supports nervous system regulation, promotes relaxation, and enhances REM sleep, the stage of sleep when your body produces the most testosterone and performs its deepest repair. Taurine also has a powerful effect on endothelial function, the inner lining of your blood vessels. When your endothelium is healthy, nitric oxide flows more freely, blood pressure stabilizes, and erections become stronger and more reliable. Together, magnesium glycinate and taurine create a synergistic effect, optimizing your nighttime recovery and giving your body the building blocks it needs to repair, regenerate, and restore vitality. Let me share a story to illustrate how transformative this combination can be. I once worked with a patient in his early 60s. He was active, intelligent, and disciplined. He exercised, ate well, and took his supplements, yet he was frustrated. He was waking up 2 or 3 times a night. His energy would crash mid-afternoon, and his erections weren't what they used to be. He assumed it was just a part of aging, that the changes in his body were inevitable. We began by adding magnesium glycinate to his routine and then introduced taurine. Within a week, he experienced a remarkable difference. He was sleeping through the night for the first time in years. His energy returned, his erections strengthened, and he realized that his body had not been failing him. It had simply been missing the nutrients it needed at the right time. Many men think that more is better. They believe that taking higher doses or combining multiple supplements will solve the problem. But that's not how the body works. Timing and consistency matter far more than quantity. Taking the right supplement at the wrong time can be ineffective, and taking it inconsistently will never allow your body to adjust and respond. What you need is a repeatable nightly ritual, one that signals to your body that it is time to repair, recover, and rejuvenate. Imagine this: the house is quiet, the lights are low, and you are in your own space, free from distractions. You are not scrolling on your phone. You are not sipping a glass of wine. Your body is beginning to wind down, and your brain is preparing for deep restorative sleep. About 30 to 60 minutes before bed, you take a small dose of magnesium, glycinate, and taurine with warm water. The warmth aids absorption, and by avoiding alcohol, you give your liver and nervous system a break. You turn off screens, let your eyes soften, and prepare for the darkness that allows melatonin to flow naturally. Your bedroom is cool, quiet, and dark, the ideal environment for restorative sleep. As you lie down, you slow your breathing, allowing your nervous system to shift from a state of alertness into deep recovery. This simple routine, repeated night after night, trains your body to repair itself efficiently and optimizes the production of testosterone, nitric oxide, and other essential molecules. The benefits of this approach extend far beyond sleep. Men who sleep deeply maintain higher levels of testosterone and experience more reliable erections without relying on prescription medications. They wake up energized, with a sense of vitality and mental clarity that may have been absent for years. Their partners notice the change, their confidence returns, and the transformation is sustainable because it is built on the body's natural rhythms rather than artificial interventions. You might be watching this and thinking it's too late for you, that your body has already passed its peak and nothing can restore the energy and vitality you once had. I want to tell you clearly, it is never too late. I have seen men in their late 60s and even 70s who felt as though they were running on empty. They had resigned themselves to feeling tired, frustrated, and less capable. Yet, with consistent attention to sleep, the right supplements taken at the right time, and a commitment to a simple nighttime ritual, they rediscovered strength, energy, and sexual confidence that they thought were gone forever. They did not achieve this through extreme measures, harsh prescriptions, or unsustainable interventions. They achieved it by providing their bodies with what they had been missing: restorative sleep and the opportunity to recover fully each night. Your body is not broken. It is doing the best it can with what you have given it. Years of stress, late nights, responsibilities, and silent pressure to keep going have taken a toll, but your body is resilient. The moment you begin honoring its natural repair cycles, everything starts to shift. You wake up feeling clear, alert, and energized. Your body functions more efficiently. Your partner notices your renewed vitality. Your mind is sharper and your confidence returns. You begin to realize that health is not something that fades irreversibly with age. It is something that can be restored, maintained, and optimized when you give your body the tools it needs and respect its natural rhythms. This is the quiet power of magnesium glycinate and taurine taken before bed, within a simple, consistent nighttime ritual. It is not flashy. You won't see it advertised in late-night commercials with exaggerated promises or gimmicks. It works silently, gently, and effectively, supporting your cardiovascular system, nervous system, hormonal balance, and sleep cycle. And because it works with your body's natural processes rather than against them, the results are sustainable and profoundly transformative. So tonight, I want you to take a moment to reflect on your health. Consider the energy you have, the quality of your sleep, and the strength and vitality of your body. Understand that the key to restoring these aspects of your life lies not in more supplements or more pills, but in a simple adjustment, taking the right nutrients at the right time, consistently and with intention. You deserve to experience deep, restorative sleep, to wake up energized, to feel solid in your body, and to enjoy sexual confidence that supports your overall well-being. You deserve to feel alive, to feel strong, and to live life fully no matter your age. This is your invitation to change, to create a nighttime ritual that respects your body's natural rhythms, and to unlock the health and vitality you may have thought were lost. By giving your body what it needs during the critical hours of rest, you provide the foundation for everything else in your life: mental clarity, physical strength, sexual confidence, and emotional resilience. This is not a quick fix, but it is a sustainable and effective approach that can profoundly transform how you feel, how you perform, and how you live. Every night presents a new opportunity to support your body, to honor its natural rhythms, and to give it the building blocks it needs for repair and recovery. By taking magnesium glycinate and taurine before bed, creating a calm and consistent ritual, and prioritizing deep, restorative sleep, you are investing in yourself in a way that compounds over time. The more consistently you follow this approach, the more your body responds, and the more you will notice a difference in your energy, your vitality, your erections, and your overall quality of life. You might think that these changes are small, subtle, or incremental, but over time they accumulate into profound transformation. Your sleep becomes deeper, your mornings brighter, your afternoons more energized, and your confidence steadily grows. Your relationships benefit, your mental clarity improves, and you feel a renewed sense of control over your life and your health. Even if you have felt like you've tried everything, even if you've assumed that your age dictates how your body should function, it is not too late. With attention to timing, the right nutrients, and the creation of a supportive nighttime ritual, you can restore what you thought was lost. Your body is capable of remarkable recovery and rejuvenation at any age. And by aligning yourself with its natural rhythms, you unlock that potential. This approach is quiet, simple, and profoundly effective. It does not require extreme diets, expensive procedures, or unnatural interventions. It relies on a deep understanding of how the body functions after 50 and on providing it with the support it needs during the hours when repair, regeneration, and hormonal balance are most active. By honoring these processes, you create a foundation for sustained health, strength, and vitality. Now is the time to act. Begin tonight. Take a small dose of magnesium glycinate and taurine about 30 to 60 minutes before bed with warm water. Turn off screens, let your environment soften into darkness and quiet, and allow your body to enter a state of calm. Commit to this ritual consistently and give your body the opportunity to perform the recovery it has been waiting for. Over time, you will notice changes in your sleep, your energy, your sexual function, and your overall sense of well-being. Remember, health is not something that fades irreversibly. It is something that can be nurtured, restored, and optimized by focusing on the right nutrients taken at the right time, and by creating a nighttime ritual that supports your body's natural rhythms. You can regain energy, improve sexual function, and experience deep, restorative sleep. This is the foundation upon which everything else in your life is built. Your body is resilient, capable, and deserving of this support. You are not too old. You are not beyond help. You are not broken. Your body has simply been doing the best it can with the tools it has been given by introducing magnesium, glycinate, and taurine at night, and by committing to a calm, consistent, and intentional bedtime ritual. You are giving your body the support it needs to thrive. You are giving your cell the gift of health, energy, and vitality that can last for years to come. Take this moment to honor your body, to give it the care it deserves, and to embrace the potential for restoration and renewal. Your nights can be restful. Your days can be full of energy. Your confidence can return. Your health can improve in ways you might have thought were no longer possible. With consistency, intention, and respect for your body's natural rhythms, everything begins to shift. Tonight, let this be the start of that shift. Take your magnesium, glycinate, and taurine, settle into your space, and allow your body to enter a state of deep recovery. Over the coming days and weeks, pay attention to the changes, the way you feel in the morning, the steadiness of your energy, the strength of your erections, and the quality of your sleep. These changes are the evidence of your body reclaiming its natural vitality. You have the power to make this change. You have the ability to support your body in its most important work, to provide the nutrients it needs at the time when they are most effective, and to cultivate a bedtime ritual that promotes restoration and growth. By doing so, you are investing in the most important asset you will ever have, your health. It is never too late to take control. It is never too late to improve your sleep, your energy, and your sexual function. It is never too late to honor your body's natural rhythms and give it the tools it needs to repair, recover, and thrive. Magnesium, glycinate, and taurine are simple, powerful tools when used correctly, and they can transform the way your body feels and functions. This is not a temporary fix. It is a sustainable, science-backed approach to restoring vitality, optimizing testosterone production, improving nitric oxide function, enhancing blood flow, and achieving deep restorative sleep. It is a quiet, gentle, and effective way to support your health and reclaim the strength and energy that may have felt out of reach. Tonight, start the habit. Take your magnesium, glycinate, and taurine before bed. Commit to your nightly ritual. Turn off distractions, create a calm environment, and allow your body to enter deep recovery. Night after night, week after week, you will notice a profound difference. You will wake up more energized, your erections will strengthen, your recovery will improve, and your sleep will finally feel restorative. Your body is not broken. Your health can be restored. Your vitality can return. It begins with the simple step of giving your body the nutrients it needs at the right time and creating the environment it needs to perform its restorative work. You are worth this effort. Your health, your energy, your sexual function, and your overall well-being are worth it. Embrace the potential that lies within you. Honor your body's natural rhythms. Give it the support it needs to thrive. Take magnesium, glycinate, and taurine before bed and create a nightly ritual that fosters deep recovery and restoration. Over time, you will reclaim the energy, vitality, and confidence you deserve. You are capable. You are resilient. You are not too old. You are not beyond help. You are ready to embrace a new level of health and well-being.